name is Mollica, and I'm a senior studying biomedical engineering at The Ohio State University. This is the Nanoengineering and Biodesign Lab, and in this lab we try to find a better way to study the way that cancer cells talk to each other. Let me explain that a little bit better.
1.6 million Americans are diagnosed with cancer each year, and 1 in 4 Americans die from cancer. But what is cancer? Well, the human body is an amazing system made up of billions of cells. Healthy cells grow, duplicate, and die. But sometimes healthy cells change or get damaged, and instead of dying when they should, they begin to grow out of control. This is called cancer. Cancer is often treated with chemotherapy. Chemotherapy puts drugs into a patient's body. But the problem is that in addition to killing cancer cells, chemotherapy also kills many healthy cells, leaving the patient with very bad side effects. It is very difficult to target cancer cells and kill them without killing healthy cells. But one way that researchers and engineers have done this is by studying the way that cells talk to each other. Cells talk to each other a lot like how humans do. It is similar to shaking hands. A small molecule, called a ligand, shown here in purple, attaches to contact points on a protein receptor, shown in blue. When the ligand and receptor connect, a signal is passed. This communication has a lot to do with why cancer cells grow out of control. The way that ligands attach to receptors is also a lot like the way that keys open locks. You see, the correct key fits perfectly into the correct lock and has just the right contact points to unlock it. If we have the wrong key, either the key won't fit inside the lock or the key won't have the right contact points to open the lock. In the Nanoengineering Biodesign Lab, we use a nano-sized platform to study the way that cancer cells communicate. With the materials that you have, can you make a platform that holds a ligand? Remember that a ligand is a lot like a key. This is a platform prototype. It is a piece of cardboard with a hole in it. The ligand fits through the hole and the platform holds it, but it doesn't hold it tightly enough to interact with the receptor and unlock the lock. Can you make a platform that works better than this one? Remember that studying the way that cells communicate will help us create better cancer treatments with fewer side effects.
What will you design?